vacuum's performance, and it convinced James Dyson to put an end to developing their upright vacuum lineup.
Dyson has announced today, March 6th, that they're no longer designing those traditional upright vacuums. So those yellow bald things that were really iconic when I was growing up, James Dyson is announcing that they're not designing any more new ones. Instead, they're making something like this.
The suction power of these is not usually comparable to some of the upright corded ones. Well, that's where this is replacing everything. Because this basically is replacing it. Why is this not me? I want that to be me.
But this is the first in their next generation of vacuums. So from here on out, while they'll still sell some of their current models, all the new models are going to be cord-free. Pop it open and
replaces upright vacuums, because as of this announcement, Dyson will no longer be designing new upright vacuums. Now in the box
here on March 6th. According to Dyson, this is the cord-free vacuum that convinced James Dyson, the founder of the company, that Dyson will no longer design full-sized vacuum cleaners. In this
Earlier today, March 6, 2018, James Dyson announced that Dyson will no longer be designing upright vacuums. That's pretty crazy.
Dyson will no longer be designing corded vacuums. All of their future models will be like this one, cord-free.
Future, maybe even the industry. James Dyson announced on March 6th he will no longer design upright vacuums. That means smaller, lighter, and going cordless. It's very similar to all the other.
Well, for starters, Dyson is no longer designing new upright vacuums. This, the V10, is the first step into a new generation of clean. With the latest.
So let's start by meeting the V10. This right here is the design that made James Dyson, like that James Dyson, go to his team and say, you know what, guys? All these other upright corded vacuums, blow them up. We're not gonna develop corded vacuums anymore. Forget about it. This is it. This is the future. I mean, he's 70 and British, so he probably didn't say it quite like that. But the sentiment is the same. Compared to their last gen, it's got